Hello. Today we're gonna install the new. We're gonna replace the taillights from different taillights. This ones are the originals. We're gonna replace it with the Anzo Tail Lights. All right. So here you have the Toyota 4Runner, black house in the smoke lens, red light bar, sequential. So basically you want to use the sequential on the blinkers. Right now I have LEDs inside, but they're not sequential, so I'm changing the sequential to match my the Alpha X sequential. This is my sequential, which is here at the sequentials for turn signals. Here are my sequentials for the side mirrors, and we're going to use them. So this video is about the unboxing, and later I want to do the video for installment. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link or where I got it. I got it from Amazon. There we go. So first impression, it comes a package, each one in individual box. I have the protection, the phone protection. See, there's the line. Okay, very well protected. So I got them out of the box. That's it, well protected. The protection there, foam, pretty good. Wrap it. Okay. Then get them out. Alright, so for some connections. Very nice, and here it is. Fast Anzo smoke sequential. So side by side, you can guys actually see it. The top part looks like the bottom part. So this part on the inside is up here as well. You guys can see it, you know, the little like steps, but those are LEDs and sequential. You can actually see the LEDs in there for the sequential. Probably those are lights. That one, this one right here like that, and this one on the top are lights. They always light up. Overall, I like them. They go with my black look that I have in my vehicle, so they were well protected. They come very nice. This is the module for the sequential. So I haven't really read much about it, but I know this is go directly to the car. This is the securing the screws. Looks very well. I like it. This is another connection. Another connection box with the 3M sticky to attach it, I guess. Looks very good. We're gonna next video is putting it up and see how it looks. I'm gonna get the other light out and show you guys those two lights together. So also the box is actually marked. What size is it? This is the right. The one that I got is the left. So it's marked. want to damage the box. This is where my original lights go as storage for storage. This. So same kind of protection you expected on the first one. Same protection. Here's the light. Same protection to the corner. All the way around, so very good. Alright, so I got the two lights side by side. Overall, I like them. I don't see any problems with it. Both lights come with the same thing, both sides. Connections. Alright, module. Connection here. Cable. So far, I don't see any inside of the box. I don't see any instructions. I think they're pretty straightforward. How do you put it up? So you also have your marks in here for left, right. It tells you information. So 12 volts instead of 24. Have the part number. Made in Taiwan. Alright, so that's the unboxing. I'm gonna show the video of how to put it up in next.